Here we are once again, 4570 Government in Winchester, Super X, semi-jacketed hollow points. We're going to do a wound channel, firing off at a cantaloupe with duct tape around it. Mr. Coconut is gladly going to demonstrate the wound channel for y'all once again. And we're just going to see how big of a hole and cavity it does through the duct taped cantaloupe. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are once again, 4570 Government. These are the Winchester semi-jacketed rounds. We are going to do a wound cavity attempt on Mr. Coconut the cantaloupe. Well, let's see what we can get left of. That's the tape. Well, that's your wound channel from the 4570 Government. There you are. Alright, as you can see, here's a couple of still shots of the expansion wound channel cavity of the 4570 Government, basically obliterated Mr. Coconut. Don't worry, Smoky Oak has an outstanding healthcare plan. Mr. Coconut will be back for further demos. Do not worry. So as you can see, definitely solid obliteration as a wound channel. Basically, it's not even a wound channel. It's like a wound canyon. It ain't even a wound canyon. It's like gone. It's a wound gone. Wound gone. Gone. Obliterated. Wound obliteration. There you go. Smoky Oak. Wound obliteration. Makers of fine products. So here we are, and there you go. And that concludes this little demo. Thanks for watching. Again, these are all non-scientific things we do out here. They are close enough, give you an idea. They're not exact. If you want exact, go watch the Discovery Channel. Thanks for watching. Yay. Drink more beer, have fun, and enjoy life. If you're so uptight, I can't help it.